Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kissy Unstoppable, and guys, I'm gonna take you to my journey in Ghana when I was in Ghana. So I'm standing here at Independence Square with my Ghanaian flag representing Ghana. So guys, I'm gonna take you on my journey to the mountains. So we're going to the mountains today in Kwahu, and that's in the country area, mountainous area. Guys, if you go to Ghana, please visit Kwahu. So I'm gonna take you on my journey right now. So right now, guys, as you can see, we're heading on top of the mountains and we're going up. Guys, it's a steep hill. I couldn't manage it. I'm tired. Me tell you so. I take 2 steps. I'm just tired. Me just tired. But anyways, me love it. It was a journey, but me love it. So guys, this is when we're going up on top of the mountain with the. So the journey continues.
So the journey continues. Still climbing the mountain. Another rope?
Yeah, another rope.
Okay.
To the entrance.
So this is when we reach to a point on top of the mountain, but not the top mountain, but reach to a point. So guys, this cave is where you shout and you hear it sound over inside the cave. It repeats. Oh my god. Very good. Wow, nature. Eden! We leave from the spot we was. So my aunt decides that she could take the bike to go back to the where we're coming from. So she jumped on her bike and she had do her thing on her bike. So me a video around and tell her, I said, go auntie, go ride your bike in Ghana, yeah. So this is when we reach back to the road, and then this is a Queen Mother. I was telling her, Queen Mother, I love you, I love Ghana, I love this lady so much. She's such a nice lady, she's such a beautiful lady. You couldn't know say she a queen if she never tell us that she's a queen. So then Queen Mother decided to take us to a little track where they have a cave, not a cave, a rock with the water falling from the rock. So I was going through and I saw this cocoa tree and I said, let me take some videos. But in Ghana they say cocoa, back home we say chocolate. If you know, you know, we call it chocolate back home. So we're going through that little part and the grass, and I said, yeah, me can't bother with the word for grass. But me enjoy it. Yeah, you're not Ghana, you have to enjoy everything. Grass cut you, anything cut you have to enjoy it. So we went through the little track there and we go over to the fountain where the rocks in the water is coming from. The water is cool, feel cool, but we didn't drink the water, but it was a good experience. Then she said, let's go meet my mom and my grandma. So right there we went and meet her mom and then grandma. It was a beautiful family, amazing family. So we're there taking pictures and videos. So you can't believe say grandma 107-year-old, grandma strong, hearty and healthy. Then it's time for us to go. We saw this lady on the roadside selling fry yam. So we stopped to get some fry yam. Yeah, fry yam with pepper. Tastes good, you know, that green crushed pepper. I don't know where they get them pepper there from, but the pepper nice. So we decided to get our yam and pepper. So we yam and pepper. That's my auntie, yeah. My call auntie, yeah. That's my Uncle Coffee. Yeah, Uncle Coffee. That's my auntie, yeah. Right there, showing our yam. Uncle Coffee, yeah. Uncle Quaco, yeah. Right there, so. Uncle, I remember Aiden, but Aiden some uncle. Uncle Quaco, Uncle Coffee, and my auntie Effia. You know, with the woman, me decide say me go cook some coconut tea, yeah, make some fufu for dinner, yes. So me dey fan the fire. Me tell them say, no, so we did in Jamaica, you know, we bend down and we blow the fire, and fire start to blaze. But then say use the fan and fan it and catch the fire. So right, this is my pot pan the fire ready to go. So right now dinner ready now. Me a chop up chop my fufu and my peanut butter soup. Look how girl a hangler fufu in like she born in a Ghana, yeah. So right there, so everybody eat. All the way saying a Canadian, but Ghanaians, Jamaican. We are one family, yeah. So we enjoy with fufu and with peanut butter soup right there. So yes, we enjoy. Look at my auntie now with fierce tushy. I know so you eat fufu, lady. Dip the fufu and rub the fufu and put the fufu in your mouth, lady. Guys, tell me what you think about this video. Until next time, your girl is out.